Definition: the first conditional is used to express future possibilities, predictions, or plans. Structure: if plus present simple, then plus will or can or may plus base verb. Examples: 1. If I pass the exam, I will get a scholarship. 2. If it doesn't rain, we can play outside. 3. If I save enough money, I will travel to Europe. 4. If she gets the job, she will move to New York. 5. If the weather is good, we will have a picnic. Usage: 1. Future plans. 2. Predictions. 3. Possibilities. 4. Intentions. 5. Decisions. Keywords: if, unless, provided, as long as, in case. Tenses: present simple if clause, future simple main clause, future continuous main clause, future perfect main clause. Common expressions: if all goes well, if everything works out, if I have time, if the situation changes, if circumstances allow. Here are the completed sentences. 1. If I finish my project on time, I will submit it to the manager for review. 2. If the concert is sold out, we will look for alternative events, or try to buy tickets from authorized resellers. 3. If I get a promotion, I will be able to move to a bigger office. For more videos, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, English with Dilnawaz.